I'm going to answer that in a second. I just want to bounce on what you mentioned on content. And here, of course, there's different kinds of content. But today, all the information in the world is on the internet, and everybody has access to the internet. So everybody has all the information in the world. So as a marketer, are you going to produce just product pushing content? Yes, you can do that if you have a new product line. Yes, you can promote your content. Hey, here's something new. It's informative, that's relevant. But beyond that, if you're just pushing all the time, you're not being relevant to your audiences and you're not being helpful. This is where you can get clever. And here, I think the word relevant and helpful is key. Is the content you're sending to the specifier, to the distributor, to your end customer, is the content helping them do their job? So put yourself in their shoes. What is content that would help them do their job? Because it's good that you're informing them of your product and maybe your pricing, but can you go a step further? Because if when they consume content that help them do their job, the content they're watching is yours, then your relationship is super tight with them. And if they need something else, they'll say, well, where am I going to go? Am I going to go to companies who send me content that is not helping me and that is not relevant, it's just pushing? Or am I going to go to the company that is sending me free content that is helping me in my day-to-day? And here you can actually fill the gaps in their own organizations. How to sell your product better, how to specify your product better, how to do a better job as a specifier, what are distributor best practices. Be relevant, be helpful as a marketer. It's not about pushing stuff. Sometimes yes, many times no.
Okay. So whenever you're creating your content, which is super important, we just mentioned that, well, you need to put yourself in the customer's shoe. And so this would be another basic thing to get started with. So you do your segmentation, your personas, and then each persona, what are their challenges, what are their needs, and this is what you focus your content on, right?
That's exactly correct. And here, this might lead you also to break some silos.